What's up, guys? I'm chilling in my car before jiu-jitsu. Stopped at the CVS. They had some tins for me. They're a little more expensive than usual, but they should be the older ones with the cosmic eclipse packs inside. So let's find out what we get in here. We'll start with the original pokeball. And I was wrong. We got Rebel Clash, Vivid Voltage, and Rebel Clash. Maybe the Ultra Ball will have something in there, but let's see what we get in here. Maybe we gonna get some hits. It's a code card for y'all. Try to adjust this. Getting all the light. There's the reverse and nada on the first pack. See if I can fix this to where it's not as bright. I don't think we're gonna have any such luck. Code. Come on. Let's get a hit. Let's get a hit. Let's get a hit. There's the reverse. Nothing again. Rebel Clash. Code card. Fighting. And nothing again. Well, the Pokeball was a bust. Straight up bust. And it won't even shut. There we go. Let's try this Ultra Ball. See if we can get a cosmic eclipse pack in here. Usually they just be selling all the old stuff. It's where you can go to find like the knockout boxes, the lightning boxes. There we go. Cosmic Eclipse. Vivid Voltage and Rebel Clash. We'll go Vivid first. Code. Let's see, fighting. Man, it's a bright day. There's the reverse. And we get a hit. Yes. I'll take that. That's a nice one right there. Rebel Clash. Let's continue it. Let's continue it. Here's a code card. Another hollow. Not bad so far, not bad. Alright guys, Cosmic Eclipse. Let's see what we got doing in here. Come on, give me something. Give me something. Give me a team up. That was it. That sucked.